Hello everyone, I've got a new FreeWing Rebel 70 version 2 jet here. I just got it in yesterday, the day before, and it will be a maiden flight. I'm using a totally different transmitter, which I'm not very familiar with, so who knows what's going to happen. What I did is I took out the stock 4S EDF power system, and I put one of the JP 70 millimeter all aluminum 2700 kV EDF units in there with a 100 amp light castle speed control, and we're running a 6S 2800 milliamp LiPo. So I've got, this radio situation's got me concerned because the switches are different from my regular radio, and hopefully I don't hit the wrong switches. But anyhow, we're going to find out. It's kind of gloomy out here today, and there's no wind, so we're going to go ahead and drop half flat. Like I say, hope I don't hit the wrong switches. Alright, let's see here. We're on elevator. Okay. We're going to bring up the quarter throttle, just trying to see where she's going. Okay, she's pulling to the right. More. She's going up. I kind of had a feeling it would go up some because I had a little bit of down elevator dialed in. Still want to pull to the right a little. CDF is very quiet. Still climbing. I'm going quarter throttle right now, just get it tamed, trimmed in here. Well, that sun is out now, it's my face. Yeah, I gave a whole lot of down the trim, and I think I've got it pretty much spot on now. It's coming down just a little bit. It's fine. Let me go ahead and get it straight here. And all right. Yeah. Took all my battery just to trim it. I believe it's trimmed in pretty good now. Some serious power in that EDF. It's very quiet EDF unit. We're going to go ahead and hopefully drop the landing gear. I think that's what I just did. Oh, something ain't right. Get back over here, boy. Well, I hit a daggone bird, man. Golly, hit one of the big vultures. Huh. That was weird. Hopefully it didn't do too much damage to it. But it's way up there. Oh Lord, yeah. Oh yeah. I need to tame down my gotta go around again, but that was wild. Gotta tame down my throws a little bit here, boys. Yeah, actually I need to put some expo in there. It's kind of little too squirrely. Yeah, it's squirrely. Oh, what a save. What a save, man. Oh, Lord, that was a save. Yeah, it's a little squirrely. I've got to definitely give some more expo. I want to see what happened when I hit that bird, man. That was way out there. That's where all those vultures hang out. Ah, darn it, it actually put a dent. I can't believe I've been flying that whole flight with flaps still down. I forgot to bring my flaps back up. Oh man, that means I'm gonna have to start over with my trimming. They were down. They were halfway. They got three positions there. They were flying. That whole flight was with the flaps. Oh boy, that sucks. But yeah, it dented the windshield there. Huh. That's weird. Wow. I'm in the 374 range per cell. Yeah, as you can see, I got everything tightly packed in there. I mean, that's 2800 milliamp 6S pack. My telemetry's along here. But that is wild. I mean, actually, check that out. I don't know if you can see it or not, but running my finger, it's dent. Anyhow, that wasn't bad. I had no idea. It was like, say, that radio I'm not used to, and I forgot to put the flaps up, or I thought I did, but apparently I didn't. So we're gonna go ahead and do the next flight with no flap. That way, it's one less thing I have to deal with. That radio I'm not gonna use regular. I just had to use it today to test it out. All right. Okay, we're about to make the second flight on this Rebel. This time I'm not using any flap at all because, like I said, I flew that whole first flight with the flap half down. I'm just, like I said, I'm not familiar with these switches, switch locations, and I'm just going to go ahead and it doesn't need the flaps. It's got plenty of power. But we'll probably have to end up re-trimming a little bit, especially on the elevator. You know, so let me see something here. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and give it another whirl and see what happens. Make sure I hit my right switch here. All right. Retracts up. Oh, here goes my canopy. Blew the canopy right off. Oh, darn, that was kind of wicked. I gotta be careful. Yeah, it's definitely like kind of a little nose heavy now without the flaps down. Yeah, I'm staying high, man. I gotta get, like I say, with this new this different radio, and just slow, and I'm going slow and steady. Okay, it looks like it's pulling to the right. Canopy blew off big time, buddy. This is half throttle I'm flying this thing at. It's just too quick to go any faster. Cut it down some more. Yeah, I'll bring it down some more than that. I'm trying to get it trimmed here. Still pulling to the right. Now I've got a pull left aileron. Alright, let me get the vertical, see where I've got on my, wanting to dive. Yeah, I'm just basically, I took all the down trim out that I had from the first flight. Giving it up, so thinking everything in reverse. So yeah, without that canopy on there, I find it a little bit different. This is quarter throttle. I'm just trying to get it trimmed in. Open it up with the canopy off of it. I think I pretty much got it, but guess what? It's pretty much time to land. I'll go ahead and make another. Yeah, I gotta drop my gear. Luckily the canopy is right on the runway, so I won't have any trouble retrieving it. This plane is so small too, it's hard to see. Darn, boy, must have caught a little wind pocket or something there. Darn, still need to work on that expo. Let's go over there and get our canopy. At least it landed, the canopy popped off in a nice location, wouldn't you say? Yeah, this is alright, man, I'm going to tell you. It's alright. So we're going to go ahead. Oh man, when it came off, it must have hit the wing right there. Yep. Well, I'm in the 360 range of my sails. It's a little lower than what I like to go. Yeah, the canopy apparently I heard that pop when it came off. I mean, it apparently hit the wing right there. Yeah, that's still unbelievable. That dent right there that vulture did. But it's okay, man. I'm gonna tell you, it's a fun little plane to fly. I just need to go ahead and work on getting my, well, like I said, this radio I'm not going to be using. But I just wanted to. Actually, I have a 20 memory model radio, and I don't have any left over. I have 3 transmitters, so I just need to put it on one of my other ones. This is a different one I just want to try. But the switches are not to my liking. But anyhow, that was fun. I enjoyed it. I will fly it again this week. Hopefully the skies will be a lot nicer. Yep. Let me just show you real quick. Y'all can see maybe the EVF unit that's in there. That's all aluminum. 12 blades aluminum. Everything on it is aluminum except for the motor. Yeah, it's sweet. And it's very quiet, as you can hear. It's very, very quiet. So anyhow, hope y'all enjoy it, folks. This is like a baby Stinger, as far as I'm concerned. Quarter throttle, just trying to see where she's going. Okay, she's pulling to the right. Slow down a little bit more. She's going up. I kind of had a feeling it would go up some because I had a little bit of down elevator dialed in. Still want to pull to the right a little. CDF is very quiet. Still climbing. Because the switches are different from my regular radio, and hopefully I don't hit the wrong switches. But anyhow, we're gonna find out. It's kind of gloomy out here today, and there's no wind, so we're gonna go ahead and drop half flat. Like I say, hope I don't hit the wrong switches. All right, let's see here. We're on elevator. Okay. We're going to bring up the totally different transmitter, which I'm not very familiar with, so who knows what's going to happen. What I did is I took out the stock 4S EDF power system, and I put one of the JP 70 millimeter all aluminum 2700 kV EDF units in there with a 100 amp light castle speed control, and we're running a 6S 2800 milliamp LiPo. So I've got, this radio situation's got me concerned. Hello everyone, I've got a new FreeWing Rebel 70 version 2 jet here. I just got it in yesterday, the day before, and it will be a maiden flight. I'm using